In this video, you'll learn how to schedule tasks instantly in Notion. This process allows for efficient task management, helping you organize your workflow effectively. Begin by opening Notion and navigating to the workspace where you want to create your tasks. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smoother experience when saving your changes. Next, create a new page by clicking on the Add New Page button located in the sidebar. This action will allow you to set up a dedicated area for your tasks. You should see a blank page appear where you can start customizing your task list. After that, select Database from the options available. This selection is crucial as it enables the organization of tasks in a structured format. You should now see a database template where you can enter your tasks. Then click on Tasks Tracker to access the specific database designed for tracking tasks. This will open the Task Tracker interface where you can add and manage tasks effectively. Once this appears, proceed by clicking on Continue to confirm your choice of the Task Tracker. This action will take you to the main interface of the tracker, ready for task input. Now click on Done to finalize your setup. You will receive confirmation that the Tasks Tracker is now active and ready for use. Continue by selecting Add New View to customize how you view your tasks. This step allows you to create a personalized layout tailored to your preferences. Next, click on Calendar as your new view option. This will set up a calendar format for your tasks, enabling you to visualize your schedule more effectively. After that, click on Add Item to start entering your first task. You will see an empty field appear, prompting you to input task details. Type in the task you wish to be clear and concise to ensure the task is easily understandable later on. Then type in any highlights or important notes related to this task. This information can help you prioritize or remember key details. Once you've entered the task and highlights, click on a blank space to save your entries. This action will ensure your input is stored in the database. Now click on Add New Item again to create additional tasks. This allows for a continuous flow of task input without needing to navigate away from the current interface. Type in another task you wish to add. Follow the same procedure as before to ensure consistency in your task management. Next, click on a blank space to save this new task entry. This confirmation step is essential to avoid losing any information. Now find the task labeled Urgent Meeting and drag it to the desired date on the calendar. This action will help you visually organize your schedule and set deadlines. Finally, click on the SUBI task and drag it to the date you want as well. This allows you to manage both primary and secondary tasks efficiently within your calendar view. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.